In this video, we will learn how to change download location in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the right hand side, the three dot menu. Just click on this three dot and click on the settings option. And here you can see the left hand side have some option related to settings. Okay, just click on the downloads option, and in downloads you can see the first option, the location. The location here, the default set C drive, user, admin and downloads folder. And if you want to change the location, click on this option to change the location. And here the select the location where you want to save your data. Okay, download data of Microsoft Edge. So I create here the ABC in documents folder. So I just select the folder, and now you can see in C drive, user, admin, documents folder in ABC folder. Okay, so this is a way you can change the location of download. So when you download anything in Microsoft Edge browser, is automatically saved in ABC folder. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.